Y'all, and I'm so like, what's up, you guys? Yes, today is a great day. You wanna know why it's a good day? Because I just got my package. Now, as you can tell by the title, I ordered some LED strip lights, and I have been wanting to order some LED strip lights for a long freaking time now, so I can like put it around my room and on my TV and on my bed. And so I was like, oh, it's busting. It came today, and I am the happiest person in the world right now. All right, so let's open the box so I can show you guys. Here it is. So it's 2 rows in here. So this comes with 32.8 feet in one box. I ordered 2. So I'm absolutely excited. It comes with a remote. It's waterproof, so that's good. There is something important about installing these, and I'm gonna show you guys. It's not that like complicated, but here's the strip light. Here go the little things that you stick the little white part. I mean, I don't even know what I'm talking about. Yeah, the white part. And I'm gonna show you guys that. Yeah. The strips, 16, 16, 32. Do the math. There's a little plug-in that you plug into the wall. This goes into this, clearly, so we're gonna do that already. Here's the little thing I was talking about. The little light things that go into the strips. The remote. It come with different colors. Your solid colors, red, green, blue, and white. And then there's your little off colors, which I'm definitely going to be using the off colors more than anything. What? I got a 10% off. These are just wall mounts so it can stay up. But I will not be wall mounting it. The adhesive, which is what you use to stick it up. That's the only part I heard that was really bad. Which I don't care because I'm a pro at sticking stuff up. So I just know. You see these little arrows? Let me see if it'll focus. Okay. Please focus. We do not have time for this. There is an arrow on this. They have to face each other head on head, because if they don't, you can switch it. You can plug them in without it facing the same way. But if you do that and you plug them in, the whole strip could blow out and you ain't got no lights. So make sure they head to head. Both of these were $55. They have this little area where you can cut. This little gold part, that's where you can cut safely. I'm really trying to get this right, and I'm so scared that I'm gonna mess them up. I plugged it in, and I plug this into the wall. I'm really nervous right now. Did it cut on, y'all? Nothing happened. Okay, maybe I used the... No! Nothing happened. No, nothing's happening. You're lying right now. I know I plugged these arrows in right. Oh, no. I am so scared right now. If I just order this and it does not work, I am leaving the worst review ever. You guys, we're gonna try it again. We're gonna plug it back in. Nothing is happening. No. Oh, hold on. No, I'm gonna look at the instructions. I don't like reading directions. I did everything right. It's not working. It's not working. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna try the other row, but I don't. Gee, guys, let's try the control. It works. So one of them worked, guys. This one worked. This one's trash. And the control works. Okay, so I'm pressing red right now. Pressing green. This is blue. I'm gonna tape it up in my room. I'm gonna see if the adhesive is good. I'm gonna put it up now, and when I do, I'm gonna film it, and yeah. The adhesive is not bad at all. It depends on what wall you have. How these lights don't want to work. Okay, y'all, I think because when I tried to plug in the one that didn't work, it blew out the other one. No, because now I'm getting irritated for real. Y'all want to know how slow I am? Those are the ones that don't work. That's up there. I was about to give up for a second. And let me fix this. I'm so hot and I'm sweaty. We're gonna see if these other two work. I buy these over. Probably in another company. I'm gonna plug it in to see if it do work. We're gonna plug it in and see if that row works. Please, Lord. Okay. 1, 2, 3. You're kidding, right? You gotta be kidding me. It does work. Hey. So I just broke my lamp. Oh my gosh. This is a disaster. It's a new day. I totally forgot to film. So we left off by putting this roll up over here when I broke my lamp. That reached all across this, until you see it separate right there. And the other row actually worked. So I put that up there too. And that reached all around this wall, and then I just wrapped it down because I got my other one right here. All works, so that's good. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification. I just woke up, so I sound really like dry, like high. So if you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for any time I make a new video. And that is it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.